Hey everybody, Ian here, TradeStalker.com with a recap for you for March 7th, 2018. You can take a look, you can see how the market reacted with the levels that Mike gave from the prior day. We got a decent sized gap down on some news that continued down, and it looks like it bounced right off of this area, right at this area over here, this 2001 to 2002 area. Got a pretty nice bounce that turned around and made it right back up towards the, it came initially through this area, but it made it back up and then got a reaction off this 13 to 14 area where it consolidated, moved down, and then you can see how it held this 2008 half intermediate resistance for a move up again, and then took us up to this 20 to 21 area up here, popped a little bit above it, and then came down, held the 13 to 14 area, and then dropped back down. And you can see how this 2001 to 2002 area held as, or actually it's 2 to 2 half is what it should be. Held really well and like perfectly at these levels right here. You got a nice double bottom, and then you got to move up, and you can see that we hit our head again on the 20 to 21 area before pulling back, holding this 14 area, and then moving higher. And it looks like it's trying to get its way up into the 28 half to 30 area. Came just shy of that, and it may still get up there. There's still a little bit of time left in the day, as you can see, but overall the levels were, really good. You can see how the market uses one level as a resistance initially, and then sometimes on the other side it'll use it as a support, or vice versa. That's really common. There's some other stuff in here that could help that Mike points out intraday. This week he's doing a camp, so he's not available to do that, but normally his intraday commentary is really helpful. And as always, you can check out the ebook, which gives you some of the setups that he's looking at. So hopefully that helps you guys. If you have any questions, you can contact Mike at TradeStalker.com, and hope you have a great rest of your evening.